What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, this is part 2 of playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. Sorry about last part. I didn't have my microphone on. So, yeah. We'll just continue the game. I am sorry about last part. So, part 2, you'll be able to... I make sure my microphone is on so you'll be able to hear. If you watch part 1... Sorry, it was a bit long, but if you watched part 1, you would have seen that I got stuck on this part. And remember how I got the gun hand? I'm still very confused what to do on this level though. If I do that, it won't work. That won't work. So if we just disconnect. I'm excited for chapter 4 to come out on mobile. Go like that. I like the fact you can switch hands. But I need to use the purple hand. I'm not sure what to do. Well, I don't get it. I'm confused. I'm still sorry about last part, how there was no sound. Cause if you, one second. Sorry about that, guys. But, sorry about that, guys. If you hear some just background stuff, that's just, you know. I think I will open that. Oh, wait. I think I have an idea. Take that. Put that. Where did that battery go? Oh, yeah. Put it on there. Grab this. And do that. Oh, it didn't close. So this one does nothing at all, like nothing. Well, I have maybe an idea. I might have a little bit of an idea. Go like that, they would go up. But they go up within that big place.
Can you go find it when I'm upstairs?
Once again, guys. Sorry about that, guys. So, what do I do? So they're up there. Is it open now? That's still closed. So does that do nothing? What am I supposed to do? I'll grab this battery. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm gonna find out what to do, and then once I find out what to do, well, I'll cut the video. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, guys, I might have a little thing I could do, but I don't know if it'll work, so we'll try. Go like that. Not gonna do anything? Huh? Let me try reload my game. Okay, reloading my game. Is my game broken? Just loading the game. Okay. So I think I know what to do. So I enter here. And disconnect that. What? Is there something I have to do that I've done wrong? I'm trying to get that battery. And then okay, we'll disconnect it and reconnect it. But hit it. Okay guys, I'm just gonna reload the game, like restart the game. Not from the beginning, from here. Okay, so if not this, then this doesn't work, then my game might be broken. What? Okay, does it work now? What? So these buttons just do nothing. Go here. putting my hand on you. This is like really confusing. Go down here. So now that the batteries are up there. How did I manage to aim it like that? You're kidding. I don't get that. Am I doing something wrong? I'll cut the video until I finish this part. Guys, I think I know. I did something wrong. So basically, Sarah wants to hit that. Then that hits that. And then I hit that. Wait. Yeah. I was doing something wrong. Let me get the first battery. Oh my god, I keep going far. Okay. Okay. Okay, here. And then here. And then here. And then here. Let it go down. Who? Okay, and then what the hell did I just do? Go like that. Okay, oh, come on. Fucking this up. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. Good stuff. If I even look up once, I have to restart.
Do that. Dang it. Grab that. Okay, now it's up here. Okay, so wait, I almost fell. Did it fall? Wait, where did it go? Oh.
Sorry. Yay. Where did it go? Oh. Oh, it's in here. Okay. Okay, so can I pull that lever now? Oh, that lever opened it. Okay. Okay. Shoot. Which one do you guys like more, PC or mobile? Let me know in the comments which one you personally think is better. In my opinion, I like mobile just a little bit more because it's easy. But PC is pretty cool.
There's an invisible wall. Oh wait, never mind. The red smoke. I like the fact we have a gun now. Oh my god, that scared me. Why did that actually scare me? Why did that? Y'all, why did that actually scare me? That scared the hell out of me. Sorry about this noise they've been making. Find the flower. This is the place you come back. Am I anything?
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
I had my gas mask on. What's happening? I can't move. I actually can't move. Like, why can't I move?
Do you know what's happened here?
That's a lie. Don't get that. And these are kids.
Do you know who we once were?
Wait, this is the school of Mr. Light.
Do you see why we have to end this? Do you even know what's real?
Didn't we come here to find a flower? And now we're here.
Alright, is this the counselor's office? Huggy Wuggy.
No, you don't.
Why is it actually Wait a minute. Is that the prototype? The prototype. What? What was just happening? Why am I back at the counselor's office? I need a battery. I'm not actually going the right way. Help. I remember this. Wait, what? leave play kill back on for wait, I'm back here, so I need to change the purple hand now. Am I redoing this part? Why am I redoing this part? I remember how to do this So if I have to do that dog day thing again, I'll be mad. I'll just go just in case. Wait, oh wait, no, this is a new part. No, I know this part.
Hey, I'm a crafty corn.
I'm just going the same way it was last time. Don't I have to redo this part of the chapter? Or am I leaving the council of this now? I'm not sure what I'm doing. Was I supposed to do this part again? I'm not sure. Wait, am I stuck? Let me load the game. I don't think I was supposed to go that way, actually. No, but I got the battery. I don't get it. Oh, this is going to be cat now. Let me see if I'm actually supposed to come this way. Oh yeah, well, I have to. What's in here? I think I'm leaving the council's office now. Okay, oh, this is a really fun chapter. I want to see Gussie, Missy, and Poppy again. Okay. Okay.
Something's gone wrong. Grab the cord from the counselor's office and plug it in underneath the statue. We need to reach 100%. Good luck.
Guys, subscribe for Ollie. He's helping us a lot. Every chapter we've actually had an ally.
Looks like we're a tiny bit short. I'm sending one last key. Poppy used it when you met up with her earlier to activate the skylights. Go back over there and find the cord. Then we'll have enough power.
Okay, so every chapter we've had an ally. Chapter 1, we didn't really have an ally. Chapter 1, Poppy was, well, every chapter Well, chapter 1, we got the grab pack, which was kind of an ally. Not really. I'm going the wrong way. Not really, but it helped. Chapter 2, our ally was Poppy. She betrayed us. In chapter 3, it's Ollie. So who's going to be chapter 4? I've heard around chapter 4 that we're going to get, I think, a couple new characters. I know, like, we're going to get, like, nightmare critters, I'm pretty sure. They're still up there. I think we're getting nightmare critters. Oh, yeah. I think we're getting the nightmare critters, Yarnaby, Dowie the Diamond, and Pianosaurus. I'm not sure. Let me know what your favorite hand in chapter 3 is. Is it the blue hand? Is it the green hand? Is it the purple hand? Or is it the gun hand? My personal favorite's probably the gun. Well, flare probably. It's actually a flare, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, that should be enough power. Now take that huge battery to the gas production zone so we can get out of here. It's the door by the cable car you arrived on. Good luck.
Oh, this is one big battery. Like, look how big this battery is. I just went in circles. I think I'm coming to the end of chapter 3. I wonder what's gonna happen now. Okay. I don't know if we're coming to the... I think we're coming around the end of the chapter. But I'm not sure for... like... We could be at the end of the chapter, or we could have like another 2 hours of the chapter. But in my opinion, it seems like the end of the chapter. It would be funny if I realized this was just the beginning of the chapter. Yeah, pretty sure. I'm not sure. Sure I wasn't close. God, what the hell was that? That ain't catnap. Oh my God, I'm horrified. Your objective, survive.
I hope this is coming through. There's no time to waste. Good. Okay. Now, in between the hallways, there's those 2 side rooms on both the left and the right. There'll be green power receivers in those little rooms. They can block off the hallways before Catnap gets to you. Try them.
I actually don't know what I'm doing.
Good. If you see Catnap, use those. You're probably gonna hallucinate a bit. It'll be hard to tell what's real and what's fake. He's almost there. There might be a way to kill him, if you can hold out. Do you see that computer terminal? Progressively use the batteries to fill the surrounding slots. Please, don't die.
Why am I so scared? Um. Was that fake or real? What? Oh. Is this real? That's fake. How is this? What? That's real, that's real. Is this real? No, it's fake. Okay. I can... Okay, fake.
So if you guys hear background stuff. I'm dead. Well, that will be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!